Good morning, detail world, what it do? We out here in Antioch, Tennessee. We at this first stop. We doing this Volkswagen Atlas. This is a good friend of mine. This is his kid's mother car. He had me come do it for him. Like I said, I'm happy that he's using my services, because usually people that I know usually don't use my services. But it makes me feel good that he's willing to use my services, because I did this car before. So it's letting me know that I did something good for her to ask for me to come out. So once again, like I said yesterday in the vlog, man, make sure you take pride no matter what you do, because taking pride and having an initiative to doing great quality work will take you a long way. But like I said, I was in a rush. Like I say, I be forgetting sometimes this camera. I'm so used to getting into the motion. So I already washed, dried the car off, did the windows, did the wheels, did the whole 9 yards to the exterior. And right now, Rennie's doing the interior. The interior got some little weird lint and stuff in the back, so it was taking a little bit of time for him to get it up. But I'm gonna show you what it looked like from what he did, and then he still got the other side to do. But like I said, man, today is a great day. My daughter wanted to come back out here with me today. She wanted to continue being my camera girl. I'm very excited that my daughter is enthused to do something with her father like that. But man, that's the things that make life so joyful, man. Making sure that your kids enjoy doing things you doing, and vice versa, you enjoying things that your kids doing. But like I said, we just knocked out this interior on this side. We had a nice debris. Rennie got majority up. You can look at the consoles, things like that, cup holders. You know what I mean? So getting it together, the seat nice and clean. But you already need the tire shine the tires. Rennie got the box, got it out. But like I said, we getting it in here. I'm not sure how you let this seat back, but I know it goes back. The door's clean. But like I said, we got a few stops today. I don't know what the weather really looking like today, but hopefully it stays warm. Hopefully it don't get too cold. But like I said, this is what the car looked like on the other side. So like I said, Rennie's definitely still knocking that out. I'm gonna go ahead and help him wipe down some things, wipe down these seats, so we can go ahead and get to the next stop. Like I said, got a lot of lint right here. A lot of lint right here. I was using a lily brush to actually get this lint moving, but I don't know what's going on. But you see it got its normal debris like most cars. But we're gonna go ahead and finish it in. Like I said, this is a Volkswagen. This is a Volkswagen Atlas. Like I said, I already did the whole exterior, windows, wheels, everything done. We're just gonna finish this interior, and then after that we head to our
5 minutes later.
He just completely finished this whole exterior of the car. But we're gonna head to the next stop, and I'll see you in the next stop. Peace. Detail world, what it do? We done made it out here to the second stop. We out here in BELLE, Tennessee. We actually about to do this Bentley right here. This is a Continental GT. I remember it had the little thing in here to actually say what the number is, but this is a Lee Man's Edition. So this is I think it was like 600 or something these made. If the thing is in here, it actually will tell you. Let me see if the thing in here. Yeah, it's actually right here. So this is, oh no, it's only 48 of these made. So it's 48 of these made. And if you look on here, the camera not focusing right, you see it said this is 38 of 48. So this car right here is basically, can't say one of a kind, it's a 48 of a kind. But if you know you got this car, you know it's only 48 other individuals in the world that has this Bentley. Even though it looked like every other Bentley, I guess it'll be all the little chrome accents and the wheels and whatever. It's a W12, you know what I mean? But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Really gonna go ahead and work on this interior. I'm gonna work on this exterior. If you look at this grill with all this chrome, I'm gonna have to take the little my little scrub brush, get in there, get in there, make sure all the dirt outside the chrome, even down here if you look. You know what I mean? That's the thing about these cars right here. It ain't plastic, it's actually, you know, you listen to it. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Them headlights are serious. Look at them headlights. You know what I mean? What does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 individual bulbs plus a main bulb. Even in here is what? Man, look how many different light bulbs in there, man. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 different LED lights in here, plus this one halogen. So I can imagine if these lights go out, how much expensive it will be to replace just one of those lights. And if you even look in there, how it even says Bentley, says Bentley motors inside the headlights. That's too serious. So this car got a lot of detail. I know on the new Bentleys, the centerpiece does not move at all. Even on the Rolls Royces, they don't move. The center cap stays in one place. If you see it, it got the MEADE symbol right here on the exterior of the car that was on side. That was on that glass case that I just showed you, because it's actually with sunglasses. I'm not sure if it had the sunglasses in there. Ren, you see if the sunglasses still in there? The glasses came there. Probably where you held the key or whatever, but this car is also push start. You can also put the key in right here. You know what I mean? But no, I'm definitely not it. But like I said, you see the specs of the car. This car was made in Cheshire, England. Shit, what did it say? This car weighs 6,000 pounds. This is a 2013, so this car is finna be over 10 years old. But I mean, Bentley never really changed the model of these cars. They usually stay the same, things like that. But if you look at the sky, it's pretty cloudy. I hear tornado warnings in the background. Hopefully that's just a warning and not the serious thing. But we gonna go ahead and knock this out. Rennie already in here. Hold on, Rennie, what you got for us today, man?
Oh man, today is Saturday, man. Hey, when y'all hear that, this is the word for the day. Take cover.
Take cover.
Don't take these sirens lightly. Take cover.
Take cover, because it has been some crazy weather out here of late. You know what I mean? Them tornadoes that just had touchdown in Mississippi and Louisiana last week. They were saying if those same storms would have hit Nashville in the daytime, it would have put tornadoes in Nashville too. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock out this car. Hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them shares, turn on your notifications, and we're gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. All right, detail world. We just finished this Bentley Lehman's edition. Like I said, it was just a basic maintenance clean. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, we had to do the exterior and interior. We already knocked it out. Grill looking nice and clean. Had to take the brush into all those little individual areas, but you can tell that it's actually sparkling. But yeah, like I said, we finished the car. We already knocked out this interior. You look at the door, you see that stitching. You know, I love stitching in these cars, you know what I mean? You see the stitching on the steering wheel. You know, look how fine that look, man. Stitching serious. The seats. You know what I mean? The embroidery right there in the headrest. You know what I mean? But yeah, overall, car came out fine. Like I said, it's a beautiful car. You know? That B. Yeah, that car beautiful, man. Like I said, we just finished it though. Got one more car here. Like to park this one, do that one. And then we got a couple more stops for the day. But yeah, right now, man, I appreciate everybody like always, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit them likes. You know, do what you gotta do, because we gonna do what we gotta do, man. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, detailed world. We just finished up that Bentley Lehman's edition. Now we about to do this Mercedes-Benz S580. I'm not sure if this is an electrical car. I doubt it, but the way this interior looks, I swear I thought it'd be electrical, but it's not. It's actually a 4MATIC. Like I said, it's the 580. They used to have the 550, but they stepped it up to this one. But Benz, they always got this. They was the first car I noticed that had the how you transition your seat on the door. You know, they actually got the buttons that let up the curtains and let down the window for both sides. They actually got recline. The seats actually can recline out a little bit more. And if you look, like I said, got your middle console, you know, things like that. You know, for your phone, things of that nature. You know, but you know that screen pretty serious. That's something different from Benz. I love how I got the blue lights going all around the interior of the car. See how it's going all around the door, all the way right there, going around to behind me, to the door behind me, all the way back around to up there. So that's pretty smooth. It's an AMG. I think the AMG stands for Autobach, something like that. But yeah, we just finna go ahead and knock this out. Nothing major, not a detail, just a basic maintenance wash. Even though they just got it, I should tell her she needs to get it waxed, but I know she's gonna probably say the company waxed it, because most of the time they get their cars from Music City Nashville Music City Motorsports. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this exterior. Really gonna knock in the interior, and we're gonna knock this out so we can get to the next stop. Peace. Detail world, what it do? We just finished this Mercedes-Benz S580. Like I said, it was just a basic exterior, interior cleaning. It was pretty clean because they just got the car. So, you know, it didn't really take much to get it done. But like I said before, you know, I love this interior, the white. Got the little pillows for your head. You know what I mean? You know, it's more like a box car. You sit in the back, you drove around, sunroof, you know, TVs, things of that nature. But yeah, the car came out pretty cool. They just came out, paid me. They headed to lunch. Me and Rennie finna head to this next stop and everything like that. But I'll catch y'all in the next stop. Peace. The detail world remix. What it do? we out here at this next stop. We about to do this Subaru Outback for one of my good customers. That's all she has since I've been doing her cars is these Subarus. She never really had anything else. She had a black one not too long ago. You probably saw it in the blog, but now she got this white one. I told her to stop getting black cars. That's what I'm trying to promote to all my customers. You turn down that music. Yeah, copyright, you know, we don't want to get no copyright on the page, but yeah, you know. My man Randy was instantly hitting that button. You saw him. He know already. We don't want no music playing in the background unless it's my music, because they gonna hit you with them copyrights. And they can't get no monetized. They gonna want their money. YouTube gonna want all their money. All their money, Randy.
Hey.
How you feeling today?
I'm feeling fine. And another thing, when you detailing washing someone's car, please do not mess with their mirror. Leave their mirror alone. Kind of lightly wipe it, please.
Yeah, you hear him? He making jokes, cause I be slapping that mirror around, boy. I be hear my customers complain about mirrors, seats. See why you don't put my seat back, man? I'm 6'1", you 5'2". How you expect me to move your car? Oh man, but anyway, I just showed you what the interior of the car look like. Not really dirty. It's just her and the dog. She don't have no kids. Her grandkids probably come over every so often, but we about to knock out this Subaru Outback. I think this is a 2020. It look kind of slick, got that real sportish look. But as always, man, we gonna continue doing what we doing. You do what you gotta do, and we gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world, what it do? We just finished this Subaru Outback. We about to go ahead and park and head to this next stop. Next stop not too far from here. We're going to do an Audi. I'll knock that Audi out real quick, and then we got one more stop after that. We done for the day. There was somebody else hit me up, but I told them, send me the address. And I know they looking at their phone. That's the thing that killed me with these people. They look at their phones all day, every day, and they want to text me back at the last minute. Dude, my time is precious. You know what I mean? I'm really all about time. Time is the #1 key to me. But anyway, like I said, we just finished this Subaru. Really knocked out the inside. I knocked out the outside. Interior, exterior, as you would say. But everything good, man. My homegirl, Miss Trey, she love these Subarus. She done had them ever since I've been doing her cars. You know what I mean? But other than that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and park it. I love this new screen they got in here, a bigger screen. I see a lot of cars are making larger screens in the cars. You know, a lot of these people got bad eyesight anyway. But anyway, like I said, just finna park it, get out, give her keys. Let her know have a great weekend, and I appreciate her using my services all the time. And I appreciate y'all like always, man. Peace. Bloppity blah blah. Anyway, detail world, what it do? We out here in BELLE, Tennessee. We about to do this. I believe this is the last appointment. I had another appointment. I was at his house. I waited 20 minutes. I even called him, rang his doorbell, texted him I'm here, bring out the car. He never responded. So I just packed my stuff back up and came to her. We waited here about 5 minutes because she just left the hairdresser. But anyway, like I said, we out here about to do this BMW 530i. I believe she's a doctor. I'm not sure, but I know she always seen her car. She got like a badge for Vanderbilt. Not sure what her husband does, but I know they got to be doing something right because they live in this big ass house behind me. But regardless of that, you already see who on the inside. You see him. I ain't got to say it, but I'm going to say it anyway. We're in the inside. You know what I mean? But you see the car got a little dog hair, little remnants of dog hair, so we're gonna have to definitely deal with that. She got 2 small border collies. I'm not sure if they are called border collies, but they are miniature border collies. They're like the little lassie dogs. So she got 2 of those. If you notice, she got a few stains on her seats. Look like somebody wasted some hot cocoa. Look in the back of the seats. Kids been kicking the back of the seats. No no regard for the car. We just go ham in here. You know what I mean? Bologna, salami, all that. But Ren, you got something to say to these people today, man?
Hey.
No, that's all you got to say is hey, hey. He hit y'all with that hey. But yeah, we about to go ahead and knock this car out, like I said, the 530 BMW 530i. And like always, man, we're gonna do what we gotta do, so you do what you gotta do, and I'll catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world. We just finished this BMW 530i. Rennie just finished the interior. I've been done with the exterior. We about to head to the next stop. I don't know if I already did this, because I feel like I already did this, but if I didn't, we're doing it again. But like I said, we just finished the interior of the car. Rennie just finished the exterior. I finished the exterior. He finished the interior. I know I'm saying this shit all backwards. But the sun finally came out. There she is.
It would turn into sunshine.
But yeah, man, we about done. That was 2 cars here. Well, it was 1 car here, his car in the shop. But like always, man, we love providing the best work as possible, try to give everybody what they need. She's definitely gonna be satisfied with the work, because the car was a little bit trash. And I catch y'all in a minute, like always, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man? We just knocked out this Audi right here, man. I didn't get any pre-shots of it. I'm ready to go home, so we just jumped right on it. It was a little busy out here. It was kids everywhere and stuff like that, so it was a little loud. But we already washed the car. We already did the windows, wheels. Rennie already did the interior. I did the exterior. So we about to go ahead and just park it in the garage, call it a day. It was a beautiful Saturday today. Weather ended up coming beautiful. Sun actually ended up coming out. So, but yeah, like I said, we just knocked out this Audi right here. You know, whole 9 yards, everything knocked out of detail, just the basic maintenance. But it's a Q5 right here. I got Rennie right there doing what he do best. Well, like I said, we just knocked it out, about to park it. Van in the way of the driveway, so I gotta move my van first. But as always, man, not sure if I'll be working tomorrow, because I'm contacting guys to see if he's still bringing the cars in. He haven't responded back, but hope he respond by the end of the day. If not, I'll be chilling with the kids tomorrow. It's a beautiful day. Go home, edit this video, get something to eat, go shoot some pool, and call it a day. Peace.